Welcome back to our election coverage. We cross now to our SABC News reporter, Mbalenhle Mthethwa, who is in Middelburg. Good afternoon, Mbalenhle. Take us through some of the developments on your side.
Good afternoon, Nastasia. We are in Middelburg where earlier, just exactly a week ago, or just nearly a week ago, a group of angry residents gathered outside this hall that you see behind me and marched all the way to the municipal offices in the Steve Tshwete municipality, where they handed over a memorandum of demands led by the EFF, and among their concerns was the issue of the removal of waste and the removal of rubbish in the area. We've driven around here, we've seen visited a number of voting stations, and it seems as though it's a smooth day, and there aren't a lot of people at some of the voting stations. We're not sure if the numbers are going to pick up just yet, but it seems as though there are some very quiet and some very busy voting stations. But the issue of refuse collection is actually a thorny issue that you can see when you're driving around this community of Umhluzi, just outside Middelburg, where there's rubbish piling up in certain places. We understand that part of the reason and part of the problem is a strike that has been ongoing for 6 weeks. This week would be week 7, where municipal workers and the municipality have not been able to see eye to eye over salary increments. We understand that the municipality was upgraded to a level 6 status grading, and municipal workers say they want their salaries to be on par with the municipality's grading. What a level 6 would mean, or grading that 6 would mean, is that it means that the municipality is probably as big as Soweto, and that means that there's a lot more work for municipal workers, and therefore their salaries should be on par with the grading, and if it's not, it means that they're actually underpaid. And that's what we got from those people. We had a conversation with the mayor, who explained this at great lengths, and explained why it is that they couldn't really see each other eye to eye, but conversations are underway. We also spoke to the Premier earlier this morning, who spoke to us about a plan to address some of the challenges that have been raised by community members. We understand that she says that after going on that door-to-door campaign a little earlier last week, they then met with the various mayors and came up with a plan to try and address some of those challenges. We understand that the issue of electricity is also one of the major issues here. The issue of water, the billing system is a big issue that people have raised, but people are coming out and they are voting today. We are still going to be monitoring the situation. We are based both in Emalahleni and Middelburg, looking at both the Inkangala region as well as the Steve Tshwete region. We will be moving back to the Inkangala area, to Emalahleni, to see what's happening there, see any developments. We understand that some police stations, some voting stations rather, have a very high police visibility. Political parties are also well represented in the streets of Umhluzi and so on. But it's back to you in studio for now.